welcome back to Six Pack Garage, Phoenix, Arizona. Got my 2011 GLK here and got another maintenance issue I gotta take care of. And it's basically in response to a rattle that I'm hearing. And I've heard this rattle before, and it was tensioners. And I'll show you what it's doing. So there's two bolts. There's one up here, and then there's one back there where you can't see it. So what you gotta do is bring the tensioner up, and then you put a pin in it, like an Allen wrench or something, and it'll keep it in place so you can get to that other bolt. Okay, now you can see, so I untensioned it, and then I put the Allen wrench in there. You could use a drill bit, so that holds the tensioner in place, and now I can get to the bolt that's back down here. Okay. Okay, so the bolts are E12s. There's one right here. What's that? I don't know if you can see that. It's kind of hard to get a camera in here. Okay, so here's the one I just took off. So it's about 1.5 years old. So October of 2024, when the vehicle had 199,000 miles on it. And it lasted for a while. It's been rattling for a few months at least. I just haven't gotten around to it. And this is a Gates, so it's relatively expensive, this part. So this one is a different brand. I'm trying a different brand. Kind of hard to focus. Made in Canada. It is off of Amazon. I'll see if I can figure out. I can't really read it right now, but I'm trying a different brand, and hopefully I have better luck with it. I would definitely like to get more than 1.5 years out of it. All right, let me throw it down there. Okay, there it is. Getting kind of hard to get the phone in here to take the video, but the two bolts are tightened. I haven't pulled the pin out yet. I'm gonna put the belt around there and then pull the pin. Okay, so that's the routing. I'll put an image of the routing too. They basically just pull back on the once this is bolted down in there, okay, you put your 17 millimeter in your breaker bar onto here, okay, and as you crank that back, you'll take the tension off. Now you already have the belt on there. You just pull the pin and then you're good to go. That's all the tools I used. It's basically a 1/2 inch breaker bar. Not that you really need the leverage, it's just easier because it's hard to get in there with a ratchet. 17 millimeter socket, 3/8 ratchet, short extension with an E12 socket. That's it. And really, if I wasn't filming, it's probably 15-minute job. Super easy. Okay, so this is something anybody could do at home, as long as you have, you know, a little bit of courage, you know, and ambition to get it done. Don't be afraid. Pretty easy job. And this is an Amazon part, $69, made by Continental, made in Canada. So we'll see if that's any better than the Gates brand that I used last time. All right, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.